Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a food truck. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a food truck owner and a new worker on her first day. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What year did this kind of food truck become popular? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning, Zoe. Are you ready for your first day?
Good morning, Tony. Yes, I think so. I am a little nervous.
That is normal. Everyone feels nervous on the first day.
I really want to do a good job.
You will do fine. Let's start with the vegetables. Can you cut these onions?
Sure. Small pieces or big pieces?
Small pieces, please. We use them for the burgers.
Okay. What do I do after that?
After that, we check the grill. It needs to be hot before we open.
How many hours do we work today?
We open at 11 and we close at 7. It is a long day, but it is fun.
I hope I remember all the steps.
Don't worry. I will show you everything 2 or 3 times. You will remember.
Thank you. Can I ask you something?
Of course.
When did this kind of food truck become popular?
That's a good question. Food trucks became very popular around 2008.
Really? I thought food trucks were older than that.
Food trucks have been around for a long time, but modern food trucks became popular in the United States around 2008.
What made it so popular?
One truck in a big city started to post its location online every morning.
On social media?
Yes, people followed the truck online and found it every day. Other owners saw this and did the same thing.
That is smart. So the truck comes to the customers, not the other way around.
Exactly. And now, almost every food truck posts its location before it opens.
Do we post our location too?
Yes, I post it every morning. Now, let's finish the onions and start the sauce.
Okay, I am ready.
Good. Cut them thin, please. We need them ready before 10:30.
Got it. This is more work than I thought, but I like it.
Wait until lunchtime, then you will really understand.
Good morning. I am Nora from the city office. Can I see your permit, please?
Good morning, Nora. Sure, 1 second. Here it is.
Thank you. Let me check the date and the address.
Is everything okay?
I need to check a few things. This permit is for this street, right?
Yes, that's right. I parked here at 10 o'clock.
And your permit says you can park here from 10 in the morning to 8 at night.
That's correct.
Okay, this looks good. In this city, food trucks cannot park just anywhere.
I know. We need a permit for each street.
Right. The city gives permits so trucks don't block traffic or other stores.
It makes sense. It also stops too many trucks from parking in one place.
Every city has different rules. In this city, the rules help keep the streets safe.
How long is this permit good for?
This one is good until the end of the year.
Great. Do I need to show it every day?
No, but you should keep it in the truck. An officer might ask to see it again.
No problem. I always keep it near the window.
Perfect. Also, did someone check your fire extinguisher this year?
Yes, we changed it in January.
Good. That is part of the safety check, too.
Is there anything else you need from me?
No, everything looks good today. Have a nice day and good luck with business.
Thank you, Nora. Same to you.
One more thing. I heard you have a new worker today.
Yes, her name is Zoe. It is her first day.
Nice. Please tell her I said welcome.
I will. Thanks again, Nora.
You're welcome. See you next month.
Okay, Zoe, it's almost 11. Are you ready to open the window?
I think so. My hands are a little shaky.
That's okay. Just take orders one at a time.
There are already people waiting outside.
Yes, lunchtime is our busiest time. Open the window now.
Hi, welcome. What can I get for you today?
Good job. Now write the order on this paper.
1 cheeseburger and 1 lemonade. Got it.
Perfect. Give the paper to me and I will start cooking.
Wow, the line is getting longer. There are so many people now.
Yes, it happens fast around noon.
Why do more people keep joining the line? Some of them just walked up.
That's an interesting question. When people see a long line, they think the food must be good.
Really? Even if they don't know us?
Yes, people think so many people are waiting, so it must be good food.
That's funny. The line makes more people want to try it.
Exactly. It's a normal thing that happens with food in shops.
I will remember that. Okay, next customer, please.
Great job. Keep taking the orders. I will keep cooking.
2 burgers and 1 salad, please.
Got it. Almost ready.
Should I tell people how long they will wait?
Yes, please. Tell them about 5 minutes.
Okay, it will be about 5 minutes. Thank you for waiting.
You are doing very well for your first lunch rush.
Thank you. It's busy, but I like it.
Here are the first 2 orders. Please give them to the customers.
Okay, I will do that now. Here you go. Enjoy your lunch.
Good work, Zoe. The line is finally getting shorter.
Wow, that was fast and a little crazy.
Welcome to food truck life.
Hi there. You must be new. I haven't seen you before.
Hi, yes, today is my first day. My name is Zoe.
Nice to meet you, Zoe. I'm Marcus. I come here almost every week.
Wow, every week? What do you usually order?
The classic cheeseburger with fries. I always get the same thing.
Do you ever want to try something different?
Not really. I like knowing exactly what I will get.
That makes sense. The menu here is pretty small, right?
Yes, it is. Only 5 or 6 items. I always thought that was interesting.
Actually, Tony told me why. The kitchen in the truck is very small.
Oh, really? Tell me more.
With a small kitchen, it's hard to cook many different foods well, so they choose a few dishes and cook them well.
That's because they don't have space for a big kitchen, right?
Exactly. A smaller menu means faster and better food.
That makes a lot of sense. I never thought about the kitchen size.
Me neither until today. I'm still learning a lot of new things.
Well, you're explaining it very well for your first day.
Thank you. So, 1 classic cheeseburger with fries?
Yes, please. And a small orange juice.
Got it. That will be $7.50.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you so much, Marcus.
No problem. Good luck with your first day. I'm sure you will do great.
Thanks. I hope to see you again next week.
You definitely will. This is my favorite lunch spot in the whole city.
That's so nice to hear. I'll tell Tony you said that.
Please do. See you soon, Zoe.
Bye, Marcus. Enjoy your lunch.
Hi, is this the truck with the famous spicy tacos?
Yes, that's us. Would you like to order some?
Yes, please. Can I get 2 spicy tacos and a lemonade?
Sure. That will be ready in a few minutes.
Great. Can I take a picture of the menu board first?
Oh, sure. Go ahead.
Thank you. And can I take a picture of the tacos when they are ready?
Of course. Are you taking pictures for fun?
Yes, I also share food pictures online. I love finding new food trucks in the city.
That's a nice hobby. This truck has great food, in my opinion.
How long have you worked here?
Actually, today is my very first day.
Wow, your first day. You seem very calm.
I don't feel that calm inside, but thank you.
Can I take one more picture, maybe of you making the tacos?
Me? Sure. I guess that's okay.
Perfect. This is great. Thank you so much.
No problem. Here are your 2 spicy tacos and your lemonade.
These look amazing. Can I ask your name?
My name is Zoe.
Nice to meet you, Zoe. I'm Raj.
Nice to meet you too, Raj. I hope you enjoy the tacos.
I'm sure I will. Thank you for your help today.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Wait, one more question. Is the truck here every day?
I think so. We usually park in this area from Monday to Friday.
Perfect. I might come back with some friends next week.
That would be great. We would love to see you again.
Also, do you have any vegetarian options on the menu?
Yes, we have a vegetarian taco too. It's very popular.
Nice. I will try that next time.
Sounds good. I'll remember to tell you about our specials too.
That's very kind of you. You are really good at this job.
Thank you, Raj. That means a lot to hear on my first day.
You're welcome. Good luck with the rest of your first day.
Thanks, Raj. Bye.
Okay, things are quiet now. Let's take a short break.
Finally. My feet are a little tired.
That's normal. How do you feel about your first day so far?
Pretty good, actually. A little tired, but I learned so much.
You did great with the customers. I watched you with Marcus and the man who took many pictures.
Thank you. I was a little nervous with the man who took pictures.
You handled it well. Some customers just love taking photos of good food.
I noticed we are almost out of lettuce and cheese.
Yes, let's check the supplies now. What do we have left?
Not much lettuce and only a little cheese. Maybe enough for a few more orders?
We will need more before dinner time.
Why don't we keep more food here in the truck?
That's a great question. The truck has a very small storage space.
I noticed that. There isn't much room for boxes.
Exactly. So we buy fresh food often, sometimes every day.
I guess that keeps the food fresh too.
Right. Small storage means fresh food, but it also means we can run out of things fast.
What happens if we run out of something during the lunch rush?
We just tell customers, and we offer something else instead.
That makes sense. I will remember to check supplies early next time.
Good idea. Can you write a short list of what we need?
Sure. Lettuce, cheese, and maybe more lemons too.
Perfect. I will go buy them now. Can you clean the counter?
Yes, no problem. I'll have it ready when you get back.
Thanks, Zoe. You are learning fast today.
I'm trying my best. This job is more interesting than I expected.
Okay, we are closed. Great job today, Zoe.
Thank you, Tony. My first day is finally over.
How do you feel now, after everything?
Much better than this morning. I was so nervous at the start.
You handled the lunch rush really well for a first day.
Thanks. Let's clean the grill and put away the food.
Sure, let's do that. Oh, wait a minute.
What is it?
I'm checking messages on my phone. Someone posted about our truck online.
Really? Who?
I think it's that man who took pictures of you making the tacos.
Raj, yes! He said he loves finding new food trucks.
Well, look at this. His picture already has thousands of likes.
Thousands? Are you serious?
Yes, people are writing nice comments about the tacos and about you, too.
About me? What do they say?
One comment says, the new worker was so friendly and calm.
I didn't feel calm at all.
Well, you looked calm, and that's what matters to customers.
This is amazing. My very first day and people already noticed our truck?
We were lucky that Raj came today, but your good service helped a lot.
I guess I was just lucky today.
Maybe, but you also did a great job. That helped too.
Thank you, Tony. I was so worried I would make mistakes.
Everyone makes small mistakes on the first day. You did better than most people.
I feel much more confident now.
Good. Tomorrow will be easier, since you already know the steps.
I can't wait to come back tomorrow.
That's good to hear.
Let's finish cleaning and go home.
Sounds good. Thanks for teaching me so much today, Tony.
You're welcome, Zoe. Welcome to the team.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What year did this kind of food truck become popular? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.